Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload an attachment to a task in Ticktick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Ticktick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. You'll see all your different lists displayed there. Go ahead and click on the list that contains the task you want to work with. This could be your work tasks, personal projects, or any custom list you've created. After selecting your list, you'll see all the tasks within that list appear on the screen. Now, locate and click on the specific task where you want to upload an attachment. This will open up the task details view, giving you access to all the options and information related to that particular task. Once the task is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the task window. You'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon there. Click on this icon to reveal a menu with various options for managing your task. From the menu that appears, select Upload Attachment. This option allows you to add files directly to your task, making it easy to keep all relevant documents, images, or other files organized in one place. Clicking on Upload Attachment will open your computer's file browser. Now, browse through your computer folders to locate the file you want to attach. Once you've found the right file, click on it to select it, then click the Open button. Ticktick will then begin uploading your file to the task. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so just wait while the upload completes. After your file is uploaded, you'll see it attached to the task. If you want, you can also add details or notes about the attachment. Simply click on the empty space below the file, and you can type in any additional information you'd like to include. This is helpful if you want to explain what the file contains or provide context for other team members or yourself later. If you need to upload more files to the same task, simply repeat these steps. You can attach multiple files to a single task, which is perfect for keeping all related documents together in one convenient location. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an attachment to your task in Ticktick, making it easier to organize and access all your important files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.